Check out this 1969 Camaro, the last year for the first generation. Depending on who you ask, the best year for the first generation. Really cool car here. This is a very honest car. It's got a lot of originality to it. This is the original color. It's a rare color. You can look in our description online for the exact name of it. This has it's badged as a 327. We got a small block in here badged as a 327, but it is built internally as a 350, and it runs really nice and strong. You can see it's got an Edelbrock carb, 4-barrel Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold. It says factory air conditioning, power steering, and it does have manual brakes. I'm gonna hop in and show you all around the car. It's a really nice running and driving car. The transmission in this has been upgraded to an Overdrive automatic 700R4. It's a very nice upgrade to have. That's worth its weight in gold. You can take this car out on the highway. Keeps the RPMs nice and happy. Bucket seats, calm shift. Starts up nice. See there, it shows 24,000 on the odometer. Gauges look really nice. Got your fuel over here. Got a triple gauge pod down here. Oil pressure and temperature work really well. The volt gauge is not hooked up. It is charging, but that gauge is just not hooked up. You do have a horn. All right, air conditioning. This car has a brand new AC compressor, and it has been converted to the new Freon, so this should work really well. I'll let it blow for a minute. All right, because I got to go down here. Got wipers. See, we got good oil pressure. All right, there it is in action. There's your small block Chevy 350 cubic inch engine under here. Very, very nice running machine. Super clean under the hood. Turn the headlights on for you. Oh, wrong one. See the backlighting on the gauges. It does work. Body, very honest. I'd give it a driver quality plus. Paint is in very good shape. It's an older paint job, but it's recently had a comprehensive cut and buff and is shining very nicely, as you can see here. It's got a nice set of Krager wheels on it. BF Goodrich tires from 2015, so keep in mind the tires are about 10 years old. Gotta love that dash. Door closes nice. This is a cold day in Denver, Colorado, so we are seeing some condensation out of the exhaust there. Nothing to really worry about. Exhaust sounds awesome though. So if you'd like to learn more about the 69 Camaro, please go to our website, scroll down, there's a link in the description. It'll take you right to the page. You can find the asking price, you can find our photo gallery. We'll have about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. You see how clean it is under there as well. It's about as clean as it is on the top. We'll have the full spec sheet on there. And if you have any more questions or you'd like to make an offer, please don't hesitate to give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.